Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited free dice rolls and free money in my Monopoly Go game, absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can actually get this online, and later we will test it, so you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then we will search for Monopoly Go. Click there, guys. And then we will have to enter our Monopoly Go user ID or our username. So guys, if you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your Monopoly Go, go to your settings and copy your user ID. It's pretty easy. So just let's get back the game up to the tool and just paste your user ID. So just click continue, guys, when you paste this, and it will start searching for our user account, and you should get this message, user found. So there we go. Now we will have to select our desired amount. I will select almost 1 million and click continue. So guys, it will start loading. As you can see, API is connecting, so make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more. So yeah, and there we go, guys. API is successfully connected. Nice. So now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there's a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and it should redirect us to the verification successful. There we go. Our user account is connected and our dice rolls and money are sent, guys. I'm so excited to see this. So now we will open our Monopoly Go and we will see does it actually work. So guys, let's wait for this loading screen and let's see does it actually work. And I will click here. So yeah, let's see. There we go. It's actually generating our dice rolls and our money successfully, guys. Look at this. It's crazy. Look at this. Almost 1 million, both of it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.